Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make Brazilian cheese puffs. These are really delicious and the inside is almost like a mochi texture. For this recipe you'll only need 6 simple ingredients, so let's get started. So first you'll need to prepare a small saucepan, then we'll add in 1 cup of whole milk, 1/3 of a cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat and just stir it from time to time. When you see these white bubbles starting to appear, then it's time to remove the saucepan from the stove. Have your tapioca flour ready in a large bowl and we'll add the oil mixture into it. Stir the mixture until it's well combined. And if it's looking something like this, then you're doing well. Now let's crack our egg into the mixture. And we'll mix it in until it's fully incorporated. The best way to get a smooth texture is really to just get your hands dirty. By this point, your mixture should be very sticky and hard to get off your fingers. And so it's time to add in our cheese. I've used Parmesan cheese here, but mozzarella is also very yummy, so feel free to put both in if you can't decide. When you put the cheese in, try and put them in batches, so it's easier to mix them well together. Let's prepare a lined baking tray and don't forget to wet your hands with cold water so that you can roll the balls without having them stuck onto your fingers. I like rolling them into mini sizes so that I could snack on them without feeling too much guilt. And now it's time to put them into the oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and we'll bake it for around 25 minutes. And there we go. That's all you need to do to make these delicious cheese puffs. They're super crunchy on the outside and chewy inside. This recipe makes 18 of them, but they'll literally disappear in one day if you have a big family. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends if you enjoyed the recipe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!